Hey everyone, quick update on how things are going. This is my UPS that I'm running as an inverter. It's a true online UPS, so basically you plug the batteries in and it just works. Like, no modification actually on the UPS itself. So it's all got proper heat sinks, all proper cooling, because these UPSs are built to run 24/7 actually using the inverter, going from DC to 240. These are true online UPSs. So I've been using this guy for a while. I've been sort of tracking things. So these are the days. These are the kilowatt hours that I pulled out according to the cheapo meter, which is absolutely horribly inaccurate, but so they're my kilowatt hours. It's shown battery voltage and kilowatt hours for the week, so 9, 6.8, 4.1. The issue that I'm having with this UPS specifically, so this one is a 750 VA unit, and I like to run my computer on it. Like, it's a good UPS, I want to run my computer on it. The computer was built back in the time when things were a bit more power hungry than what they are today. Got a Corsair 1200 watt power supply in it. Having a big switch mode power supply, you've got lots of capacitors in them, and that trips this guy out every time I try and turn it on. This guy will actually turn it on. So as soon as you press the power button on the computer, it activates the main power supply, so it closes the relay, and the capacitors on the primary side and the secondary side start to charge up as the power supply boots. So it pulls a heap of current, this thing trips out, comes back up, then tries again, trips out, comes back up, and then those capacitors have enough charge that it will continue running. So I'm looking to modify this a little bit, the easiest way I know how. I've tried to look into the software on this. It's a bit finicky. I've had issues with it, so I'm going to do another modification what I've done before. These actually have 1,000 VA unit that's going to be pretty much the same unit, so I'm betting these main boards are the same. So I'm betting that this unit can actually take 1,000 watts VA continuous. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this board off, find the output, so there's the output in there somewhere. Once I find where the current transformer is, which is a pretty obvious component, put an extra little wire behind it on the PCB, and that will allow a percentage, depending on the wiring gauge, to bypass that current transformer. So the unit will deliver a higher rating than what its software would normally limit it to. So you could put a giant copper bar and it would see basically no power through the current transformer. No current, so no power. But if you put something that's reasonably small, you still get a large percentage through your current transformer. It's still going to cut it out if you grossly overload it. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I know with these inverters, as I'm shown on other videos, on bigger UPSs, but these units generally use a positive, negative 350 volts DC sort of bus. So this hasn't been on for a while. So yeah, they're definitely not something you want to play around if you don't know what you're doing. So alright, I'm going to whip this out and you can come along for the ride. Hey everyone, so that there is the mod. So it's just a piece of 2.5mm earth wire. I've just got one strand in it out of the 2.5. So this is our output over here. Just a couple of cast wire capacitors, common mode choke. It's a 4.7 microfarad capacitor, current sensor, bypass, relay, and then your output, your 2 MOSFETs for your output. So I'll whip it in and see if it works. Hey everyone, okay, so we've got the UPS back up and running. So we're full battery voltage, it's sunny and it's charging. So we got it's on battery, AC output. We're putting out 0.43 of an amp at the moment. So we'll go inside and boot up the computer. Yeah. Okay everyone, here we are inside. That's my computer. And we're just gonna see if it turns on. Generally the lights flicker when I turn this guy on. Currently it's powered up but not switched on. So it's definitely a lot better. It's definitely booting better. But yeah, it's still definitely a big surge on that power supply. So but it's booting a lot better than what it was. So I'm definitely going to be able to pull a bit more current and power out of this now. It's definitely going to be able to missed it. Hope you all like my videos. Do give them a thumbs up, helps me, and I'll catch you in the next videos. See you guys for now. Bye.